we are going to start our revision because many of you told me, teacher, we didn't understand properly 3D shapes. Okay, so now I am giving you small review about 3D shape. So please take it wisely and pay attention right now because it will be beneficial to you when your examination come, when you are doing your exams. So this information will be helpful. Got it? Now I am sharing a slide. Kisa, are you sleeping? Yes, Kisa, you are sleeping. Are you sleeping now right now? Okay, okay, anyway. Okay, beta, look at the slide. In 3D shapes, first of all, you have to understand about the edges, faces, and vertices. These three things are important in 3D shapes. Okay, you know what is cube shape, what is a sphere, what is cuboid, what is other. But right now you have to understand about edges, faces, and vertices. I am finding slides to share with you. Give me time. Yes, got it. I am sharing and please understand the topic wisely. Yes, got it. Beta, you know what is this shape? You know this is cube. But I know this is cube, but you have to find from this cube vertices, edges, and faces. This is your main task. That's why we had done activity of flipbook. Sabir, I know you are a naughty boy. I know you did this. Got it? I caught you, Kabir. No, no, no. You turn on your camera, Kabir. Don't turn off. Okay, bachcho. Now, Inaya and other students, please look very carefully. What about the faces? Look at the cube. Are you looking? What are you watching there? Look. First of all, you have to find the edges. Edges क्या होती हैं? आपकी lines. आपको total कितनी lines नजर आ रही हैं वो आप देखिएगा. Now I am highlighting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got it, Inaya? This is your edges. Inaya, have you got right now? Okay. And Kabir, please pay attention wisely. अभी आप इस डायग्राम को केयरफुली देखो और मुझे बताओ क्या आपको ये समझ आया जो मिस इकरा ने अभी एजेस के बारे में बताया आप सबको. प्लीज मुझे बताइए. Give me feedback that teacher we have understood about the ages. Kabir, have you understood about the ages? Tell me first. Other students, kindly give me your feedback. Have you understood about the ages? Now, I am telling you about the vertices. सही है? What is vertices? बेटा ये जो एजेस एक दूसरे से आकर एक कॉमन एंड पॉइंट्स में मिल रहे हैं, ये आपके क्या कहलाते हैं? वर्टाइसिस. अगर एक होता है तो उसे हम कहते हैं वर्टेक्स, एंड if there are so many, so we can say vertices. Got it? Now look at your diagram. I am highlighting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many vertices are you watching at your screen? 8. Look at the diagram, everyone. Got it? Yes, Inaya. Speak, Anaya.
मिस मुझे ये वाले शेप्स तो आते हैं, लेकिन मिस मुझे वो पिरामिड और वो सब नहीं आते, वो वाले मुझे सिर्फ समझना है.
चलें, वो भी अभी आते हैं, वेट करें. सही है, वो भी इसी तरह है अनाया कि आपने क्या करना है, इसी तरह आपने एजेस फाइंड करनी है, इसी तरह आपने वर्टाइसेस फाइंड करने हैं. उस डायग्राम में भी आपने सिर्फ इतना ही करना है. तो इसमें कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट थिंग नहीं है और ना ही कोई मुश्किल चीज है जो आपको प्रॉब्लम कर रही हो. लेट आई एम शोइंग pyramid. ओके ओके आराज, यू मे गो. Okay, students, now I am trying to show you pyramid because Inaya told me, teacher, I want to understand about pyramid, but for the Kabir, I am especially repeat this lecture for you because you have missed. Now look at the cube. Look at the cube, please. Where is the vertex? Here it is the vertex because this is joining point. So cube has one vertex. What about the edges? So this is your edge 1, this is your edge 2. Straight line को हम edge कहते हैं. Okay? Teacher, what about the faces? Teacher, faces कितने हैं कौन के पास? Let me tell you. There are 2 faces. How, teacher? The blue one and the upper one. So there are 2 faces of cone. Got it? Now I am moving towards the next diagram. So this is your rectangular prism. Okay? रेक्टेंगुलर प्रिज्म में आपको यहाँ पर वही चीज शो करनी होगी नाया, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि आपने वर्टाइसेस शो करने हैं, फेसेस शो करने हैं और साथ साथ आपने एजेस शो करनी है. सो बाय यूजिंग रेड पॉइंटर आई एम टेलिंग यू beta, give me 1 minute, only 1 minute I need. Please give me 1 minute. आप सब अपनी अपनी रफ कॉपी में रेक्टेंगुलर प्रिज्म की मुझे फेसेस, एजेस और वर्टाइसेस बताइए कितने हैं. जल्दी से ये ड्रॉ करिए शेप और मुझे बताइए, बिकॉज आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स वी विल स्टार्ट हजरत इब्राहिम अलैहिस्सलाम रिमेनिंग टॉपिक. Sabika, kindly wait. I will talk to you. Other students, kindly complete your task which I have given you right now. Find the edges. Yes, wait. Nurul Hadi, wait. You have to wait, everyone. Okay, Kabir. Kabir, I want to talk to you. Kindly unmute yourself. No. कबीर, कबीर unmute yourself बेटा. Yes, Kabir, tell me, how many edges are you watching at your screen in the shape of rectangular prism? Kindly speak, Kabir. Kabir, would you like to speak, beta? Then I will forward.
Yes, miss.
Can you tell me about the edges of this diagram, rectangular prism? Beta, do it
Rectangular
fast.
prism.
Division.
What, miss? I cannot hear you. It's too
Can you
loud.
tell me about the edges?
Edges.
Yes.
8 edges.
8 edges. Okay. Is it correct?
4 below, 4 above. 4
Okay.
below, 4 above.
Yes. Kabir is right or wrong? Kabir is right or wrong? Yes, Nurul Hadi, speak. Yes, speak. Nurul Hadi, fast. We don't have enough time.
I am counting edges.
Okay, count it fast.
टीचर म्यूट नहीं करिएगा.
Okay.
टीचर 12 edges.
12 pages. Have you counted properly? Yes, Kabir. How could you say, teacher? 8.
Teacher, it's 12.
Okay,
It's
now
12.
I am highlighting. Look at the diagram. 1,
Teacher and teacher and 8 vertex. 8 vertex.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got it, कबीर? जो इनसाइड आपको डैशेस नजर आ रहे हैं, ये आपको इनसाइड फिगर बता रहा है, तो आप ये भी कैलकुलेट करेंगे एजिस में. Got it? Yes,
Teacher and 8 vertex. 8 vertex.
Yeah, not vertex. You have to say, teacher, 8 vertices. Now what about the faces?
6 faces.
6 faces. Good job, Nurul Hadi. Good job. Now, Inaya, I am going towards pyramid. Kindly look at the diagram very carefully. Beta, mute yourself, Nurul Hadi. Inaya, look at the diagram, beta. First of all, we are finding ages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inaya, look at the diagram. Sorry, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many faces are you watching? Mariam, wait, we will talk. Now look at the diagram, Inaya, and tell me about the faces. Look at the diagram and tell me. Now, Anaya, I am highlighting. Look at 1, 2, 3. Beta, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many edges? Square base pyramid? 5. 5 faces. Now, I am telling you about the vertices. How you have to find the number of vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. देखें, जो एजेस के ज्वाइनिंग पॉइंट्स होते हैं वो हमारे वर्टाइसेस कहलाते हैं. तो आपको यहाँ पर ज्वाइनिंग साइड्स कितनी नजर आ रही है बेटा? Only 5. So this is your vertices. Inaya, I hope you got it how to find edges, vertices and faces. Is it okay, Naya? Okay, good job. Now, beta, This is your 3D shapes and you have to focus on faces, edges and vertices. Now I am asking to you about the slender. Can anyone tell me about the edges, faces and vertices? Okay, Naya. Beta, you may unmute yourself and say.
Miss Cylinder have मिस इसकी तीनों चीजें बतानी है क्या?
Yes, beta.
ओके मिस। मिस इसके फेसेस होते हैं 3 faces.
3 faces. Okay, can you tell me where are the 3 faces? Tell me the position. Inaya,
1 2 3.
मतलब बेटा वर्ड्स में बताओ कि टीचर आपको एक यहाँ नजर आ रहा है फेस, एक वहां नजर आ रहा है।
मिस ये जो सर्कल बने हैं वो 2 है और एक बीच का।
ओके, इसका बेस्ट रिप्लाई मैं आपको सिखाती हूँ, आप कैसे दोगे कि टीचर एट द टॉप, एट द बॉटम, एट द सेंटर, देयर आर 3 फेसेस। ओके, कैन यू टेल मी अबाउट द वर्टाइसेस?
मिस 0 vertices.
इनाया, कैन यू एलिब्रेट मोर? क्या आप इसे मजीद बता सकते हो कि टीचर क्यों 0 वर्टाइसेस हैं? बिकॉज मुझे आपके आंसर चाहिए, कॉन्सेप्ट चाहिए। एक्सप्लेन करो इनाया कि क्यों यहाँ पर 0 वर्टाइसेस है। कंजा, आप बोलना चाहोगी?
Because there is no pointed side.
Exactly, there is no joining point. Exact joining point यहाँ पर हमें कहीं नजर नहीं आ रहा, इसलिए यहाँ पर वर्टाइसेस क्या हैं आपके? 0 हैं। और फेसेस आपने बता दिया। क्या आप मुझे एजेस के बारे में बताएंगी?
Yes, miss 2 edges.
2 edges, very good. बेटा कब सैयद जाफर, we already done GK syllabus, GK review we had done beta. So now who? Kanza, kindly please unmute yourself and explain sphere.
This sphere has 0 faces,
Okay.
0 edges and 0 vertices.
Are you sure there is 0 faces? क्या आपको sphere नजर ही नहीं आ रहा?
Yes, this is like a globe.
So what? So there is a face or not?
I think so there is one face.
बेटा क्या आपको कोई चीज नजर ही नहीं आ रही? आपके सामने फेस है ही नहीं, स्फीयर है ही नहीं, वो वैनिश्ड है, यानी आप देख ही नहीं सकते, वो गायब हुआ है क्या? बताइए बेटा, टॉक करो मेरे साथ ताकि कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो। इस तरह खामोश रहोगे नहीं हो पाएगा कुछ। जाफर वेट। यस कंजा, वेयर आर यू बेटा? You left the meeting? Okay. So I want to ask Jafar, tell me about the sphere. Tell me, beta.
Teacher, one face, no vertices and no corners, no edges. Teacher, one face, no vertices and no edges.
Listen, but I am asking Jafar, can you justify your answer that teacher sphere has one face? क्या आप इसे justify कर सकते हो? ये जो आपने कहा कि ये वैसा ही आप साबित कर सकते हो? साबित करके बताओ। मैं तो कह रही हूँ 0 फेसेस है। साबित करें, प्रूव करेंगे टीचर। ये देखें, ये रहा फेस। कैसे बताएंगे टीचर को?
Because it is circle.
Circle shape. So it is fine that sphere has one face. So beta, this is your 3D division. Now I am going towards Hazrat Ibrahim because it is necessary to understand about it, because many of you don't understand and even don't know about him. So kindly, I am concluding math session right now and I am starting GK session. Okay, so kindly rejoin me again because I have to recording. I have to do recording. That's why I'm telling you kindly rejoin me again for GK block. Got it everyone? Now I am ended this meeting and rejoin me.